The CarePod Basics cabinet can be permanently mounted or used as a portable response kit. The wall bracket is used to hang the cabinet for easy portability. First, hold the bracket to the wall and mark the holes. Drill the 1/4-inch pilot holes and insert the appropriate anchor, then use the provided screws to secure the bracket to the wall. If portability isn't needed, then use the permanent mounting option. Remove the first aid supplies and then carefully remove the knockouts using a flathead screwdriver. Hold the cabinet to the wall and mark the hole locations. With the holes marked, drill 1/4-inch pilot holes and insert the appropriate wall anchor. Use the provided screws to secure the cabinet to the wall and replace the first aid supplies. CarePod Basics gives you the first aid you require with options you want.